Hi everyone, welcome to this class. My name is Anne, and this tutorial will be showing how to make this beaded headband. So the materials that we'll be needing for this tutorial are our glue gun or any other glue that you have that can replace this. We also have our wire headband. This is how it looks like. We also have our 8 mm of pearl beads and 4 mm of pearl beads. Then we also have our teardrop bead, which is going to be at the end of the headband. So to start with, I applied my glue on the edge of the wire headband. Now, after applying my glue, I picked up my teardrop bead and inserted the edge of the headband into it. Press it firmly to hold it down. Then you leave it a while for the glue to dry up. Okay, so now try to pull out the teardrop bead. If it doesn't come out, then it means it has been glued to the headband. So now that is done, we are going to start by picking that of our 4 mm of the pearl beads. We are going to pick 5 of them to start with. So as you can see, after picking 5 of the 4 mm of the pearl beads, you're going to continue with that of the 8 mm of the pearl bead. So I'm going to pick like 30 of them before I continue. I'm going to pick like 30 of them. So guys, at this juncture, if you have 12 mm of the pearl beads, you can choose to add it to this side before continuing, but I'm just using 4 mm and 8 mm of the pearl bead. So I'll just go ahead and continue picking that of the 8 mm of the pearl bead till I reach that of the 4 mm. So like I said, I'm picking 30 of the 8 mm of the pearl bead. So guys, I just counted to make sure they're up to 30, but this is not necessary if you're not using this kind of bead or this size of the bead. So guys, at this juncture, I'm going to start by picking that of the 4 mm of the pearl beads just as I started with. So I'm going to pick 5 of them. Okay, so at this juncture, just as we started with a teardrop, the same we are going to end it with a teardrop. So I'm going to apply my glue on the edge or the tip of the headband, like what we did or what we started with. Then insert it through my teardrop bead. You try to pull your beads while pushing that of the teardrop. So exactly so, just as we started with it. So this is how it is done. Then you allow it to dry up. Then you have your headband. Thank you for watching. Bye.